dinos! I'm so happy to see you all again. You make my day brighter. Here's a fun fact. When you look at a glacier, you don't notice that it's moving. But did you know that glaciers flow like rivers? They move so slowly that you can barely see it happening. They flow all the way to the sea. Sometimes pieces of glaciers break apart, which are called icebergs. A fun way you can see an example is the next time you get a cup of water, wait and see if the ice breaks apart on its own. Now on to our worksheets, Dino. Just remember, the link below is provided for you to print out the worksheet so we can do it together. First, let's write our name. I chose the color orange. What color did you choose? That's a great color. Did I mention that you're doing great in writing your name? It looks amazing. Now that you're done writing your name, let's read the directions. Red F, red F. What do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Let's read it one more time. Red F, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. What color do you think we're coloring the F? Red F. You're right, red. Let's take out our red crayon. You're doing a wonderful job. I'm so proud of you. Now that you're done coloring the red F, what color do you think we're going to color the frog? I see a green frog looking at me. Did you say green? Great job! Now let's grab our green crayon. I know it's a little hard to color in between the lines, but if anyone could do it, it's you! You're doing such a great job. Can you see Mr. Frog? I sure can. Oh wait, here he is. Hi, Mr. Frog. Look at what an amazing job the dinos are doing on their worksheets. You should be proud of them. Mr. Frog said he is proud of you. Wonderful job, dinos! Did you know that frogs are amphibians? Isn't that neat? Now, our favorite part. We get to color the background with anything our imagination thinks it wants to be. For my background, I'm going to draw light blue hearts. You can do the same. Or you could draw anything you like. After all, it's your worksheet. I'm just going to add a few more hearts. And a few baby hearts. Now for the background color, I'm coloring it orange. And another color, but you'll see when I get to it. Did you guess what color I'm using? It's yellow. Great job, dinos! I'm so proud of you! Did you know how happy it makes me that you come see me every week? Well, I can't wait to see you next week for a brand new episode. See you next week, my dinos!
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!